Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find day 7 of the little splash whale in Heartopia. So you are able to find the gray one here, the gray splash whale. Just going to take a picture. It is next to Azour, by the way, right there. And I'm just going to give it a little tap. Okay, so I went the wrong way, but from this like dome, you're gonna wanna move your camera to the right and look up here. Swim up, and you are going to swim to the left, and you'll see the bubble here. I'll show it to you guys on the map where it is. It is located right. Wait, where am I? Oh, sorry. Right here on the map. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!